Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my videos. In today's video we are going to learn how to edit a wedding photo. As you can see, this is a RAW photo shot by 5D Mark II with a 50mm 1.8. As you can see, the photo is not looking good, but we have to properly edit it to look it or to make it pop. So first of all, we are going to duplicate our layer. If you don't know how to duplicate a layer, just hold Ctrl plus J to duplicate a layer. And let's go to Camera Raw. We are going to use Camera Raw. If you don't know where is Camera Raw, it's in filter, or you can just press Ctrl Shift A to unlock it. So we are here in Camera Raw. We are going to make sure that these colors and the lights, shadows and highlights are properly edited. So first of all, we are going to start with the exposure. We are going to increase it a little bit, as you can see. And another thing, we are going to saturate these highlights. As you can see, there is a lot of, as you can see, this red thing shows highlights. So we are going to saturate them a little bit. And another thing, what we are going to do is to decrease these whites. There are so many, as you can see on the screen. We are going to slide back a little bit. As you can see here, our before and after, you can see that our image is changing, is becoming better. So another thing, we are going to slide these blacks or to decrease them. As you can see, a little bit, -28. And we are going to increase these shadows. As you can see, then we are going to go back to blacks and decrease them a little bit. And here you can see our before. This is our before and this is our after. You can see the photo is popping right now. It's about to pop. And another thing, it's our contrast. I'm going to click to contrast, increase a little bit. As you can see, changes. And for the temperature, you are going to slide it or to decrease them a little bit. You can see yellows were too much in the photo, so we are going to set them a little bit. And I think here you can see our before and after. This is before and this is after, and we have not yet done. but you can see our photo is changing, is becoming good. So another thing, there is this curve. You can either increase the light or decrease, but for now let me decrease them a little bit. And there is this one, you can change the color, reds, greens and blues. As you can see, you can increase either reds or decrease. Saturate is what is reds. So let me actually saturate the reds because I'm seeing them, they are too much in the photo. Let me saturate them a little bit. Let me saturate also greens. Here you can check our before and after, our before and after. But here greens are too much. Let me decrease them to magenta. Okay. For now, let's go to color mixture. Here details, you can either sharpen, or leave it, but I'm seeing our photo has details, but I can sharpen a little bit of 6%. That's good. And then here in our color mixture, this color mixture helps us to change or to increase the colors in the, or to balance the colors in the photo. As you can see, when I increase greens, you can see they pop in the photo. When I decrease, they are saturated. So let me increase greens a little bit. You can see here we don't have, actually we have purple, this lipstick. As you can see, can increase them a little bit. These aqueous we don't have. Yeah, oh god, we have. You can either also increase or decrease. Blues, but I don't think we have blues in the photo. Let me check. Oh, they are there. So you can, let me decrease them because for now we don't need them. As you can see, you can go through these colors, either increasing but looking for the perfect color for the photo. You can here see our before and then after, our before, after, our before, after. Then we can go to calibration. Here is also another source of color balance. Let me slide the reds a little bit. Greens, as you can see, when you slide the other, when you slide going this side, there is yellows. When you slide going this side, there is greens. So I'm going to set going, or I'm going to increase them. and we have also blues, as you can see. For now, let me decrease this blues. I think these are perfect for our photo. Here you can see our before and after, our before and after, our before and after. Then click OK. As you can see, our photo has already popped. This is our before and after, our before and after, our before and after.